Hi all, welcome to my channel Idea Genie. Please subscribe for more videos. In today's video, we will be talking about 6 ways to reduce your home loan EMI. So let's get started. If you watch this video till the end, I'm 100% sure that you will be very happy by knowing the methods of saving more money. So please stay tuned till the end. Before jumping into saving EMI, let's discuss on what is home loan EMI. Home loan EMI is what you pay as home loan installment amount every month. This home loan installment is either a fixed amount for the entire tenure of the home loan or fixed for a few years and increase later on. It would change periodically based on lending rates. This would depend on the agreement what you have with the home loan provider. So let's see which factors that would impact home loan EMI. Below are the 3 factors that impact your EMI. Those are home loan amount, interest on home loan and tenure. So you will pay higher EMI in case of having higher loan amount, higher interest rate and lower the tenure, and you end up paying lower EMI in case of lesser the loan amount, lesser the interest rate and higher the tenure. Since we understood which parameter would impact your home loan EMI, let us jump and check how you can reduce your home loan EMI. One should note that only few tips might be useful to you. Consider the tip which is suitable and useful to you. So the first tip is get home loans that are available for lowest interest rates. If the interest rates are lower, you would pay less interest and your EMI is low. If you are hunting for home, keep an eye on the banks that are offering home loans at lowest interest rates. Even a small percentage of 0.2% or 0.4% of interest rate change would make huge difference for your home loan interest and your EMI. Tip number 2, longer repayment of home loan comes with low EMI. Earlier, banks used to offer for home loans up to 20 years repayment period. Now, banks and financial institutions are offering home loans up to 30 years. Higher the tenure of the loan repayment, lower the EMI. One should note that you would be paying higher interest amount as a loan is not for 20 years but it is for 25 or 30 years tenure. You can talk to lender and get affordable interest rates for such long duration. If you are at the younger age and has low income, taking a home loan for 25 or 30 years could be a good idea as your EMI would be low. Tip number 3, higher down payment, lower EMI. Banks offer home loans up to 90% of property value. Even if we have surplus money, since banks are offering higher amount, we would just go ahead and take higher loan. Instead, if you have surplus money with you, you can pay higher down payment and take lower home loan that can lower your EMI. Lower EMI means more comfort in life. Tip number 4, refinance with another lender if your current home loan rates are high. Most of the banks are offering home loans based on MCLR based method and the interest rates of offered would change customer to customer. If you think that the home loan interest rates are high, check for lower interest rates lender and switch to that bank or financial institution. You may pay 0.5% or 1% processing fee as one time, but lowest interest rates would help to pay less interest and this could lower your home loan EMI. Tip number 5, switch to lowest interest rates plan in same lender. Bank or financial institutions where you have taken home loan provides various home loan plans. Interest rates for such plans would differ if you have taken home loan 5 years or 10 years back. You might be in old plan and might be paying highest interest rates. Visit your bank or financial institution where you have taken home loan and ask them to shift to lower interest rates. There could be conversion charges, but it is worth checking. Tip number 6, do part payment and reduce your home loan EMI. In initial years, interest would be high and later years principal repayment would be high. So if you have bonus or variable pay, use it for part payment of your home loan. This way you can ask your lender either to reduce your EMI or reduce the tenure of your home loan. So these are the 6 ways to reduce your home loan EMI. Choose the one which suits you better. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel.